People go, can you do the low carb diet? Can you do the low carb diet, Harley? I'm like, well, yes you can. You can do the low carb diet, man. You can do it. But I tell you what, man, it's like driving with fucking 3 wheels, man. The low carb diet is like driving with 3 fucking wheels. Do you want to be 4-wheel drive twin turbo, or you want to be fucking 3 wheels grinding along in life, just being fucking a burden on yourself, a burden on everyone around you? Just coffee, 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 stimulant, DMAA powder, pre-workout, stimulant powders, green tea, boom, 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 coffee, coffee, caffeine, 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 don't have enough carbs. Or, do you want to get enough carbohydrates and get 4 wheels on your car? Now that is what we're talking about. Carb the fuck up. Don't get scanned with this low carb bullshit, man. Carbs for the fucking win. If you want to be super fucking fit, high energy, without the fucking drugs, without the caffeine, the coffee, the addictions, carb the fuck up, early nights, lots of water, live like a fucking beast.